Welcome people, welcome back to the channel, fam. I know it's been a while. I haven't been on this thing since the Champions League final. I know it's not because we lost the treble, maybe not. No, I've been very busy. I'm having a new baby girl coming along, so it's been very busy, very rough. But and you know, in the summertime we take a step back away from football. I'm not going to talk about Manchester United transfer rumors and you know all that stuff that people talk about every day. They talk about what's confirmed. We're gonna come out with breaking news of what they signed, but not necessarily about who they're going to sign, what they will sign, all that crap. No, I won't. But today is the day we have to discuss this one thing that's gonna happen this summer, and that is the Gold Cup. Now you know I don't speak about JFF and Jamaica football anymore. I try not to. I stay away from it because JFF just keep fucking up left, right, and center. All they do is take the money and use it. Then they use it towards the players. The females team is suffering. After them just met the World Cup, them suffering. The male team struggling. Since they've been struggling. So I don't really follow JFF and follow JFF politics anymore. After the last World Cup, I was like, you know what? Let me stay away from JFF and just focus on the real football, which is Manchester United and Premier League. However, I'd be remiss, I'd be absolutely aghast if I didn't come out and say, this man right here, Deshaun Bernard, finally call up for Jamaica. Finally in the Gold Cup team. Finally. I am looking forward to seeing Deshaun Bernard playing for Jamaica this summer. He is going to kill it. He's going to be absolutely phenomenal. No, don't get me wrong. I support him because he plays for Manchester United. When he played for Manchester United, he just got released this summer. But I do think he's a player within him. He's been on a couple loan spells. He was captain of the youth team coming up. Listen, he will be the boss in a couple of years. That's why I'm glad that JFF finally got them head out of them ass, call them up into the national team, playing football. So when he come back, he might get a chance to play in a championship, maybe in the Premier League, who knows, and build something for him and build a team around it. Now he's not gonna dislodge Pinnock at the moment. No, he won't. But I'm glad that they're building for the future. I'm happy that they're building for the future. Now, the last thing that I would say about this matter, about the JFF and their dealings, why are you not calling Mason Mount? Why are you not calling Mason Mount's father? Why are you not saying, listen, we want you to come and play for Jamaica? What the fuck are you doing, fam? He'll be back next year. Without a shadow of a doubt, he'll be back next year. He'll be training with Manchester United. He won't ever play for England anymore. Get your shit up and call Mason Mount right now. Call him, find out who he need for call, to find out if him father and sister and auntie, which one of his parents come from Jamaica, and get him on the team right fucking no. People, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for joining. This has been the Fourth Official. Bless yourself. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe, right? Don't dare for brand new. Manaz.